Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style. And today we are going to do daily crypto market update. Let's do review and let's figure out, is it bullish or bearish trend? Let's see what's going on with the crypto world, with the crypto market. Let's move to Webull. If you want to learn more about Webull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about Webull setup and also links to all my trainings. Let me briefly mention, I am using moving averages. White line is MA 200, purple line MA 100, and blue line is MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. MACD, green line, red line signal line, RSI, same setup, red line signal and green line RSI, and awesome oscillator, red is a bearish, green is a bullish. That's quickly about my setup. Here is the line about all colors for moving averages. You can always check. Okay, let's start for Bitcoin daily. It was Bitcoin daily, huge run recently, right? For last several days. And it's kind of top right now. It did bullish crossover. MA5, MA10 did bullish crossover. It's good. It's a bullish trend. MA 200 now kind of flat. It was downtrend. Now it's a flat. It's a great signal. But it's overbought territory. On RSI, look at it. It's 86. It's on 90. It's an overbought territory. And bullish trend on daily, it is still bullish. On daily, still bullish trend on all indicators, right? Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours, different story, right? 4 hours is kind of flat. It's flat, even I can say flat with price action is uptrend, right? It's like uptrend little bit, but it's uptrend. On the MACD, it's bearish divergence, bearish crossover. On the MACD histogram, bearish trend and bearish divergence. RSI, bearish trend and bearish divergence. Awesome oscillator, bearish divergence. Looks like Bitcoin on 4 hours, it wants to have correction. It wants to go bearish. It wants to have some correction. Be ready for it. 4 hours, bearish divergences. On 1 hour, similar story, right? Price action is kind of flat, even the uptrend. On the MACD, bearish divergence, bearish signal. On RSI, bearish divergence. Bearish divergences on all indicators. MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator. It wants to go bearish and do some correction. We'll see. Maybe it will go to 100, MA 100, and 100 will be support and bounce from it. So far, it has support on MA 50. It was trying to close below MA 50, but it was bounce each time from MA 50. We'll see if it will be able to keep it, or it will cross it and touch MA 100. Even MA 200. We still have 2 lines below, MA 100 and MA 200. We'll see. Bearish signal on 1 hour, it wants to, and 4 hours. It wants to have some correction. Let's move to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash daily. Bitcoin Cash daily, bullish trend. It was, bullish trend on all indicators. Actually, on moving MACD, on RSI, in the overbought territory. On awesome oscillator, it's already red. It's bearish. Still bullish. The last bar closed below MA 5, but it's still above MA 200. Bullish trend. MA 5 and 10 did bullish crossover. It's still bullish on daily, on 4 hours. On 4 hours, it's bearish. MA 5 did bearish crossover over MA 10, 20, and last bar closed below under MA 20, 10 and 5. It's a bearish signal, MACD bearish crossover, RSI bearish crossover, awesome oscillator bearish crossover. Bearish crossover on all indicators for 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, similar story. Bearish crossover. In the bearish, actually it was bearish, bullish. It was kind of flat for several hours. It was flat for several hours. MACD, MACD is still bearish. RSI wants to go bullish. Awesome oscillator changed to bullish. It's a mixed mode. Just on 1 hour, it has volatility. But MA 200, it's uptrend. That's good. That's positive. That's positive. And yeah, positive. Wants to go bullish on 1 hour for Bitcoin Cash. Let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum daily. Ethereum daily. Bullish trend. Bullish trend on all indicators. On RSI, it's overbought in overbought territory or above 80, 84, 85. Bullish trend on all indicators. On all indicators, and the last bar above all moving averages. Bullish trend on daily time frame for Ethereum. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. It's still changing direction from this point to this point. It's uptrend, right? But on MACD, it has bearish divergence. On the histogram, on MACD lines, on RSI, bearish divergence, bearish signal. On awesome oscillator, bearish divergence. On 4 hours, it has bearish signal. It wants to go bearish. It wants to go bearish on 4 hours for Ethereum. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour, it's the last bar did MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Last bar closed below MA5, 10 and 20. It's kind of stopped at MA50. MA50 is like kind of support. It was to support several times for last couple of days. On MACD, bearish crossover. On RSI, bearish crossover. Also later bearish. Bearish on 1 hour. 4 hours and 1 hour, it wants to go bearish. Let's check Ethereum Classic on daily. Ethereum Classic on daily, bullish trend on MACD, bullish trend on RSI, and also oscillator. On RSI, it was in the overbought territory. Still bullish on daily time frame. Let's check 4 hours. On 4 hours, it's already changed direction to bearish. Last bar closed below MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish crossover on MACD, on RSI, and also oscillator. Bearish trend on 4 hours. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour, also bearish trend. Last bar below all moving averages except 200. Last bar still above MA 200. That's great. Generally, it's a bullish direction. But on indicators, we have bearish signal. Bearish signal on MACD, bearish signal on RSI, and also oscillator on 1 hour. Let's check to Cardano ADA, other Cardano daily time frame. It is still in the bullish trend, on all indicators. On RSI, it's in overbought territory. The yellow above 70, it's all above 70, it's overbought territory. Below 30, it's oversold territory. Still bullish territory, even last bar closed below MA5. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, it has bearish divergences, right? You look at it, it started here. It started It's uptrend, but direction on the MACD downtrend. Downtrend on the MACD histogram. Downtrend on RSI on awesome oscillator. Bearish divergences, and bearish signal on all indicators, and MA5 closed below MA5, 10 and 20. Bearish signal for ADA on 4 hours. On 1 hour, it's also bearish signal on all indicators. On MACD bearish crossover, RSI bearish crossover, and also oscillator bearish, and it closed below all moving averages except 200. MA5 did bearish crossover over all moving averages except 200. On 1 hour, it's a bearish trend. For ADA and 4 hours, bearish trend. Okay, let's do summary. Nice move on all cryptos. Nice move on all cryptos, but it changing direction. It looks like it wants to have some correction on daily time frame. All cryptos, they are still bullish in overbought territory on RSI. Bullish signal on all indicators on daily time frame for all cryptos. On 4 hours, they have already bearish divergences, and they switch to kind of bearish signal on 4 hours and 1 hour. They already want to go bearish. They want to have some correction on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame with bearish divergences. Please keep your stops tight, because crypto wants to have some correction on 1 hour and 4 hours, similar like indexes, stock market indexes. We know the correlation between indexes and crypto. It wants to have correction. Be ready for correction. We don't know yet, is it a short-term correction, or it will be a large correction. It can be large correction. As of now, it's just short time and a short time frame corrections. It's ready for correction already. Please take your profit. You can stay in cash if you want, or change direction to bearish on a shorter time frame. Thank you, everyone. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational, informational purposes only. Please review it. And thank you for watching Simple Trading Style and video. I really appreciate all your efforts. I do also publish daily updates, and weekly and monthly, for stock indexes, for ETFs, for cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels to get all notifications and all my updates, and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and good luck. Bye now.